action!
Oh, you're going under here.
You going under there?
Duck your head, Layla. You might duck.
I don't think she understands duck. And I think you should slide out.
Okay, that should be good enough.
Yeah, it should be good enough. Alright, so we're gonna back out.
Okay.
Beep, 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 beep.
Okay.
The next stop, where? Where are we going?
The next stop, by the stairs.
By the stairs. Next stop, by the stairs.
Locker.
The locker.
Locker and locker. Oh, 0.
So is what's his name still coming tomorrow?
Okay.
Nothing's in that.
Nothing is in the locker. And we're moving, people.
And we're moving. Next pit stop, the stairs.
The stairs. And what do we have at the stairs? What is going on at the stairs? What's going on here, Layla? She's just like, take me, wherever. I don't care.
Next stop,
Beep, 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 beep.
in the office.
The next stop is the closet in the office. Didn't we just go to the office?
Yeah, but that closet.
Oh, okay.
Next stop, closet in the office.
Go away.
Here's the closet in the office.
Okay. She's loving it. Presley, she's loving it. Next stop, what?
Next stop, the ottoman.
The ottoman. That's a very good word.
I was like,
All right, I think we're gonna stop.
Spencer.
Okay.
Next pit stop.
And
Go the other way so that Sherry doesn't scare her. Bye, Layla. Sherry, I know you want to be down with me like this, but I don't want to be down with
yo, honey, you like making yourself like a you at home. Like next you gonna unbuckle your pants and you do. Don't lie. Wow, see? TMI. Okay, that's
Okay, here you are.
and we're stopped.